Okay, another app I want you to know as a data entry personnel is Google Classroom. Google Classroom is an educational platform that will help you communicate properly in class and save your time. Like it facilitates online learning and collaboration between teachers and students. It is very, very important for organizing coursework, distributing assignments, and enhancing remote learning experiences. I've used this Google Class to learn from people, to teach people, and it is very simple and easy to use. Like for example, now you are a data entry expert. Some of you would love to teach at the end of this program, like I did. After learning, I decided to teach because I feel and I know I can teach properly. So I said, okay, let me start. So I train organizations, like I have trained boutique staff of boutique owners, staff of supermarkets, staff of pharmaceutical businesses. I've lost count of aside that I go to my database to get the number of people I have, the number of businesses and individuals I have trained, so I use Google Class most of the time. Especially there are some of them that will say, oh, we need you live and all of that. So sometimes this is what I do. I can even be in my office, go to a corner and do the class with them and move on with my life. So let me show you how you can access Google Classroom for your business or your office. Like you want to teach people, you want to have a meeting, but since COVID-19 everything has gone virtual, almost everything, because people will now say, oh, we have a meeting, everybody will come online. Let me show you how it's done. So here is this. You click on these 9 dots, and these are Google tools. We have your Google account. You can search your Google, just Google search. This is business profile manager. This particular business Google business suite, when you have it, it links all your business account. You can post. When you post on this, it will go to your Facebook page and at the same time your Instagram page. That's your business. Okay, so you have your Google Maps, you have your YouTube, you have your Gmail. All of these are owned by Google. Then Google News, you have your Gmail, you have Google Meet as well. We also use Google Meet, but I will show you that one later. We have Google Charts, you have where you save your Google Call, you have your Google Drive where you save your documents and everything, you have your Google Calendar, you have your Google Play Store where you do all of that. But here we have your Google Translate, you have your Google Photos. This is like forever. You have your Google Art Center, you have your Google Shopping, and so many of them. There are so many things there, but we are looking at Google Classroom. Google has a whole lot of tools. So let's click on Google Classroom. That is why we are here. It's loading. So here is our Google Classroom. Yeah, I'm going to continue because I already have my Google account. All right, so I already have my Google account, so I have to log in. So this is the very first Learn Spice business and all of that. So what do we do next? We have to create a class. So here now, this is the Google Classroom. I just signed in. I wanted to use my password. I didn't want you to see the password anyway. So so here now, this is the pure plain Google Classroom. You create a class or you want to join a class, you click on join class. So for you to join class, that means you have been invited. So let us go to create class. Yeah, I've read, you always click on the terms and conditions. Okay, let's say you are going to teach Emma schools. That's it. The session is let's say staff session. The subject, let's say you are going to teach them inventory tracking. So you click on create. Once you click on create, you have created a class. So it's creating. So you have created this. You can change this if you want, customize it, and that is it. So you can stream here. This is classwork. You can actually create a classwork, maybe assignment or task for them to do. Then this is where you add people. This is me, the teacher. Then this is students. How do you add students here? Either you give them the link, but if you don't want everybody to be using it, so these are my people have been sending links to, so or mail to. So here you can type the person's email address and invite them. So okay, let me invite this person. Okay, invite. So I've invited this person to join. So this is all about Google Classroom. Very easy and simple to use. Go now and start creating classes. When you land a job to train people, that's all.